Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Namhlanje nehlelweni leyanklamba sifune indvodza lijaha lana liyadwa kakhulu ngamahlaya. Simangele ke ukukhaza ukuthi le ndvodza emahlaya lena iphindze ibe yi-psychologist. Sifunile ke lana sathola Ndoshi Webenguni lekuthiwa umfundo wakaSimelane. Lijaha leli ifunze lapha eChristian University lenda yona i-psychology neyalo liyasebenza lisidasive ikakhulu nganase isikhathi se-COVID. Daba khona ke akanye nathi namhlanje nalahlelweni asibukisa ukuthi ngabe la ekhaya singakhulisana kanjani kakhulu badala nebantwana nekuthi nje mhlambe impilo yekuphumelela idzinga ukuthi simsite kanjani umntwana. Siyathemba ukuthi imbukeli utawuthokoza sehleli naye lana umfundo wakaSimelane. Hlaka nathi imbukeli. Mngoni umuntu mhlambe akabonga ukuthi sibe kanye nawe ehlelweni namhlanje naphinde sikwemukele ehlelweni mhlambe ke bese uyabuda lokuthi siva ukuthi kunandoshi lohlekisako lifika njani la kundoshi kuyini lokundoshi kuyi ungathi lo ndoshi ufika kanjani kube nindoshi
bengumdlali webhola awu waseyahleka mhayisi
no ukuthi ngiyabati ukuthi nemanga
nomhayisi yathi babukele ekhaya le ndlalo hleka ngeke basakho okay bengihlabele sonveni
okay
ngalo usahleki lapho
yeah no kuhle kuhlabela sonveni
okay anyways igama lelichamuka ukuthi Ndoshe ayisigama lengathi libuthwe nje endweni likhashane kakhulu ngeligama lami nje ngilomfu bese kuba nalo lekugcineni bokukhanza ukuthi ngimake kakhulu ke mfowethu lo bekathanza kungibita ngando manje bafowethu lapha ngaphandle ke uyabathi ke nangabe uchamuka kamanzini na Drake nje for sure ngangumdraga yabo abathanzi lokuconzisa yabo nawe nje ungiwandile for sure ngabe likhona ngwara awusiwa kamanzini bathi uchamuka kulondo la kugcineni yabo base bayalichuna bafaka ama ingredients nyaka imvolo edincane le
siva sikubona kakhulu kuma sectors e entertainment uqale wahlekisana sihle sikubona uhambe emahotela kanzi siyeva ngandlebenye usufunzile siyasicabanga ukuthi labahlulwa isikolo ngibola laba bese sebazama impilo ingcenye ukuhlanza njani ekubeni umuntu wemahlaya ngicishe ngathi lihlanye
sitawucabana ngiyajima kulamala
ukuhlanza njani le zinto
okay lengakusho ukuthi ngine background le strong maybe ngithi ngine support system le strong from Badali.
Okay.
Honestly mina ngekwami bengifuna vele lo ukuthi ngibe ngumvu wemahlaya ngibe se stage ngibe sembi kwecamera ngiyajabula ukuthi ngigcine ngifikile nje liphupho lami lifezekile ngicela simavimbele yabo so bengifuna vele but Badali bami bebakufuna nabo lokho but bebafuna ukuthi ngifunze ecala yabo so then ngayithatha ke vele le ndlela yalokufunza and then at the same time ngiphinze ngenda nalamahlaya of course emahlaya emahlaya angisidile etinveni letiningi lokufaka ekhathi esikolweni bo rent netuition nako konke lokho and then sahlala nje kahle yabakhona nemali nasengicethe nalesikolo and then kwase kuba ne COVID kwavala so now kwachamuka kwangazuthi it's more like a revelation because that's when I had to fall back onto my certificate now so ngasuka ngayihlayeni ngabuya ngangena ngalasemsebenzini so I think I was lucky enough for Badali bami ukuthi bangisupport bangipushe so I have the best of both worlds nyalo yebo mhayeni
nyanklamba sihlushwa kakhulu Badali ngabathi umntwana wami uthi ufuna ukudraw akayifuni le nto yesikolo ufuna ukuhlabela yena akayifuni le nto yesikolo ufuna ukuqala ibusiness yena akayifuni le nto yesikolo unga advisor uthini kulabadala athi umntwana wakhe utawuthatha tithombe makahambile nje event inye bamniketa 3000 imali eningi leyo le nto efunza ayibona isitangani nangiyazi bani ufunzile bukana uhlele ekhaya what would you say wena lo ngumuntu lo hamba yona lendlela ukuthi unemahlaya ngalana une certificate ngalana yebo kona sozamela lokuzivedavetela ukuthi kuyasita but lo mntwana lokubukela kwenyalo lo titshela ukuthi yena velele into yesikole akayiboni kuthiyani ungathini lo
okay kunetimvo letingi-2 wena mhayise leti ayitibe khona nje lapha empilweni there's someone who's rich and then there's someone who's wealthy so tiyahlukana letimvo leti-2 umuntu lo rich ngilotoba nale mali angibekisi nje badlali be-basketball kuna LeBron James u-rich LeBron James uyabo sithi siyabuka nakubo South Africa angathi singakhomba base sesinanga Casper Nyovest u-rich Casper Nyovest but kunalo muntu lo bhatala Casper Nyovest kude ukuthi abe rich nale e-USA kunalo muntu lo bhatala LeBron James ukuthi abe rich so that person who pays LeBron is wealthy yabo so lo mfana esikole akufuna bese soyakhetha ukuthi do I want to be rich or I want to be wealthy because nakana le camera afuna ukuyoshuta ngalo 3000 of course utaba nayo le mali but utoba rich but the person who pays him ukuthi atokhona lokuba rich like funding the whole lifestyle in the project that's the person who's wealthy so you need to choose ukuthi do I want to be rich or do I want to be wealthy? Yabo. So parents need to instill lama principles lawo labantwana babo. Yabo. You encourage them. Yabo. Awuba confusing ukuthi ubeke advantage bese ubeke disadvantage bese le disadvantage uyi highlight but the advantage awu highlight. It's a good thing, it's a good cause because it takes some of the things away from you which is responsibility. Yabo. So it's very very important ukuthi usina highlighter le disadvantage unamhayisa yalento le phinze uhighlight nale advantage ukuthi siyakhona kuphila ngako but instead of ukuthi uphathe le camera singajabula ukuthi kube ngwelo lo owner le studio so that's different now yebo nomhayisa
noma ukuthi kube unga owner le company le funder
babo photographer sale kuba ngilo umbrella wena ufake la ngaphansi
lapho khona abadoda abashuthe bese uyababhadala
laba
so you need to have a way kwakha le mali on your own without the camera so that you are able now to ngiyabona noma sekungena lapho lo psychology
lo psychology biyangeke kodwa lapho ngangena khona mhayisi
so mhlambe singakayi ekhefini Mngoni ungake ukusithi nje fahla mhlambe yini tinvo mhlambe from your normal upbringing like I mean from a child's perspective lese ukhanze ukuthi diyayilimata le psychology njengani senbuka bo psychology ekukhuliseni liswati malikhulisa umntwana livame kumlimataphi ngala khabo psychology imvulesi lekhako nje singemaswati ngizama ukuthi ngiyifundise nasekhaya let's love and support bamfa bethu basiba support siyabathanza yabo ngilo love ukuthi umfana nami lo yabo but in as far as cause umfana kufuna one yabo and then you show the love noma sekonile asinakenda kahle uphinze umthanzo yabo you are reinforcing the behavior and then bese kuthi letinto lapho khona angathi akatendi kahle khona you discourage those things wendela lokuthi nangaba phinza athi ukuthi kutaba nema consequences ungahambi embili lapho khona sengonile ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna kushaya kuphela khona kunebatali bamfababo laba accept ama prizes for speech day ukhanze ukuthi labatali abekho amongst the crowds kuyamlimata lo mfana lo kunebatali lokhanze ukuthi umfana udlala ema drums esontweni akazange sekeve uva ngebamba ukuthi umfana kudlala ema drums esontweni nebamfana labagijimaka emadubane bobering nje thina besikubona yabo ukhanze silomtali akade ubona ngemfana sekabuya ngemamedali akade noma ngila medal ekumukelo yabo noma ngila medal ukuthi ufakile le effort so we don't realize the effort and then you don't encourage yet when you compliment you also reinforce yabo so it's very very important ukuthi labatali they balance the two bayekele kuba batali babe present instead of being absent attenda konke ngumtali lendlela lokufuna attende ngayo attend the speech day ungazo attend ngisho ne-assembly ngoba kunemfana nakho bathi uyahlabela kahle ka-assembly uthi sengiyobona that's love okay Mngoni ukhuluma lana inzaba batali kuba khona in everything khona umntali lothi hayi umboyi ngabe sowaphelelwa ngumsebenzi ngiyawushisa umboyi angidlali njengemntwana uyabona mina ngingambhamla futhi angangadi kahle kamhlophe uyithini lenzaba le
No, umoyi imhayise neBhayibheli liyawusekela. Angeke ngisho ngithi ukabi, angeke ngisho ngithi ukahle. Angithi ngicela ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi uthi na usebenzisa lo mboyi usebenziselana. Akungabi ukuthi ufika ngigangile ngisesitolo. Sengikhohliwe sengisekhaya uthi uyakhumbula ukuthi wendeni lesitolo. Bese nangi lo mboyi yakhala. Noma uve make athi uyabuya babenzamba. Asigenti lutho but siyathi ukuthi utawukhala lo mboyi ngitshele lokho ukuthi ukhalelani lo mboyi 2 2 ungitshele ukuthi akusho ukuthi sesititha lokho sowukhalile lo mboyi uyabo uyangiexplainela ukuthi why ngikupunish and why you need to stop it and then bese soya kulo part 2 lapho khona ubuyela soba ngumntana uba ngumngane walomfana kungabe sekuyathutshwana nje sekungathi sekusemathubeni la endlini ngenzaba yemboyi awukhale yes but it must come from a good place.
Hey mbukeli sidayiteka kahle lenzaba masibuye ekhefini siyafuna kuqala la masibuye ekhefini ukuthi gani sithe asende njani uma babe angekho kushothi ke akasale selidliwe seqala selidliwe inja selimukene selimukene emtilane elicala konke ke lokho sidakuva masibuya khona ekhefini kwanyalo hlanathi mbukeli set out sishelele ekhefini. Asipenze sikomukele mbukeli ehlelweni Young Climber. Namhlanje nangihleli namfundo Simelane Ndosh yathi ke lapha kubo Facebook bathi mahangles uhamba ngandosho benguni nguye ke lona sinaye namhlanje najalela tiwa kakhulu ngedinza bade emahlaya kanti iphindze libe psychologist liyasebenza liyasita abantu lokukhanza ukuthi ngabasitakale emcondweni ukhulumile ke ukuthi kuyasita ukuthi ube nadododo imbili letinvo ube khona passion maybe in terms of just nje info mhlambe lenye letitela naturally but nale certificate sibe khona wavenda ke ukuthi uyakhile kumbe madlana ngemahlaya kwafika iCovid base babathinga kakhulu bo psychologist waseke so conduct certificate sesiyamsebenzela lokuyinto nathi ka Young Climber sikhuthatha out umlomusha ungazi nje uthanza kudweba uthi wena utawudweba soyakhohlwa ngesikolo zama ubambe kokubili bakhona lapha kwendile nangiDoshi naye ukwendile lokho Ndoshi lana bo sasitshela ngenzabe ethi ekukhuliseni kwethu njengemaswati iyashoda kakhulu isupport especially from Batali wakhuluma ukuthi umntali akaye kuma events kanjalo kukhona abadala aba disappointed labeva ngazi ukuthi bakwendile konke lokho lokushoko bantwana baphuma nje eceleni angadi ungathini kona kude imanywana khulisa umuntu but ungathini nje kulabadala beva ngathi kimi bafa kuphuma eceleni bantwana ngiyakwenda konke wena mfana ngilokuthi awu understand.
Okay ngendika mhayise because bantwana bayahluka angeze sicale mangala but now we will narrow it down to communication.
Okay
njengemntali locansuka njengemntali longajabuli have you ever taken the time to communicate that kulomfana noma lo mfana ubona so disappointed wena second question have you ever communicated umfana nakakujabulisa noma wena umfana vele sonke isikhathi umtshela nase ujabulile or something and sometimes le tinvo leto namahise diphuma so ukwatile uyabona lemvo yakho nje position 30 yabo ngiyo lemvo letakho ukuthi ubukele le tinvo leto ngiko vele ubehave kanje ubehave so position 30 they come from anger ubese uyagresenta nalomfana lokwenda le tinvo takhe la kasuke adenda lapha eceleni etsuke kungasito ukuthi tinvo lokhanza ukuthi vele ufuna ukujabulisa sometimes it's a call for attention because in the good space you just probably don't recognize him noma her but then uyeva ukuthi kule bad space ngathi ngikhona vele banginaka la khaya achubeke nako because it's certainly a call for attention ngaleso sikhathi
ngafuna ukuthi sicinzetele inkinobho lapho ngalokho nje mhlambe ngifuna uku-understand ngconywana.
Okay
lesikhathini lesiningi labanye abantwana baye bathi maba misbehave ukuthi hayi ufuna attention lo hayi lona ngilokuthi nje ufuna nje indlela yakhe esikhe attention badala labacabanga ukuthi baye understand psychology babese letinye tindwa basathi address sebadivala nje ukuthi ufuna attention lona ufuna liso akasanake kulomntwana ungathini kulenza wena
ngiyamlimanda lo mfana lo that's one you need to know that because even if nisenibonile ukuthi ufuna attention but do you take time to actually worry about lo mfana niyafuna that le thinking attack niyafuna ukwazi ukutimba letimhlupha because bantwana nyalo bayafunza nasesikolweni nabo bullying babo social media the cyber bullying these things they affect them nabo body change nokukhula umtimba uyashintsha vele yabo so these things vele kudzinga ukuthi batali bazame lokudikhuluma but now you don't have to blame the parents as well because they come from love yes because there's two things you are either raised out of survival or out of love yabo so batali bethu were raised out of survival batali bethu were never shown affection by funze generations it put down as a scarab abayadi available yabo because their parents never showed it to them batali bethu sinangibhadala school fees ngicethile uyabona mosinyamthatha nakukhona kudla uyabona ngamthatha but there was no communication line yabo so now what's happening is we're in the era lapho khona kudzinga ukuthi le communication ibe khona ibe verbal yabo nalama actions abe khona but a compliment yini verbal yabo so those things mhayise vele siyadidzinga noma ngabe lo mfana seniyabona ukuthi ufuna attention but have you ever taken your time because utawufuna le attention athanze kuhlala nasikhumbuzo lapha ngaphandle but isikhumbuzo khona lemvula kanayo lengekho landlini uyithola kusikhumbuzo kuphela lengaphandle so you need to address that ask ukuthi yini lo yitsinga kulele lapha kusikhumbuzo lele side yona lapha ekhaya so we need to balance it up like communication badala
ngoni mhlawumbe siyafuna lokuhlala la khaya vele sibone lenhlala kahle bantwana abaningi bakhuliswa ama single parents akhuliswa ngimake mine personally mine warawara ngithi umfana uyamehlula umfati hayi ngoba ngibukela bomake phasi but mangibuka bafana labaningi labarezwe ama single mothers ngisho njalo ukhanza kusema kwendekile waphondla uyaphondlisisa maka benenhlanhla ke kumbe kakhulu akafane nabo warawara kumbe abelutho ezifeni but isikhathi lesiningi mawuthi uyahlola bantu mawungena kumbe emajele nakuphi uthi uyahlola ukhanza kuthi khuliswe ngumake lo mfana lo make ay single parent wajwayela ukuthi makakhuluma make ngiyaphendula udangendani wathi mase kaqala kubalibhobhodlelana wahongela make uyabona kwaba nguye indlojeyana yalandlini wangasaphatheki uthini psychologist Mloshi kuleyo ndzaba le
okay kuyendeka wona mhayisa ngenza ngicale ma because njengoba ngisho bantwana bayahluka wami bewukhona but nami ngarizwa ngimake kakhulu yabo so I come from that angle so I know what you're talking about but now what happened ngalesikhathi lapho khona nami sengitiva ngazothi ngibhobhodlelana yabo make wangihlalisa phasi so sibuyela ku communication make wangihlalisa phasi wathi you know what la khaya lapha vele ngwele head yabo technically in as much as mine kungimi lo ibukile lelikhaya but you are the head but now when you are the head you need to protect the house so you're protecting your sister you're also protecting me as your mother so if wena kunebamfla bangaphandle basukela mina kanti nawe uyangi-attack ulandlini phinze ube wami so now I don't know ukuthi impi yami ingakuphi because ngidla ngilala ngicabanga ukuthi utawufika wena so I need to be safe because kunawe landlini your sister needs to be safe because kunawe landlini i-role yami leyo so I from as early as 10 years bengathi ukuthi irresponsibility yami is to protect my mother is to protect my sister as well asibuyele kuleli point lakho the communication is key wona mhayisi uyabona banivana akusasiso lesikhathi sakade lapho khona assume ukuthi lo mfana so uyadada le involved or maybe kufuna behavior kanje you go to them you talk to them because ba emotional they feel because na level lesibese siyayenza nje sibandala you awuqanisa umfana ukwe but they feel there's pain, there's anxiety, there's depression. Don't get it if they are not attended to. Vele tibese escalate lapho khona umuntu bese sofuna kuba aggressive. Dawutibuta mhayisi. Yini abe aggressive lo mfana? As a parent, have you ever explained to him or her why your father left? Does he know your story? Does he know the father's side of the story? Yabo.
Manje mngonincesi nje kunanzana kumsita ngani kwadi ukuthi baba wakho wazothanza lo munye wasuyahamba ngeke yini kudale ihatred ngeke yini kudale kuthi lo mfana bese sokuqala unyanya ubaba enyalo
kukabili ke mhayisi utawutikhethela umbani there's liberty of choice yabo but now what's important they need to know the truth yabo because for him to side with you kufuna abe adi ukuthi uside lani nawe yabo angafuni bese sowujikela wena kanti uyathi ukuthi uchamuka khashane naye so he must go through the whole path and empathetic towards you ungacabanga ukuthi utawutrainwa ngile environment because it's the environment that influences behavior la khathekhaya yabo so you need to know ukuthi lo mfana bobana bam influence yakho ngaphandle but mina am I playing any specific role in shaping up his life yabo so the support yakho njengemdali plays a key role in how he will behave in the environment. And uyamfundzisa lokho ukuthi kunemvelo kuthiwa liqiniso la mhlabeni because you can't hide that from him. Utawungena ku relationship imhlula shiya hambe because yena kude lokho am-explainela ukuthi no yathi relationship no kuyahluleka lesinye isikhathi uyabo lesinye isikhathi indvodza iyalungisa uyabo lesinye isikhathi indvodza ikhona lokulungisa bese kuyahlukana uyabo from an early age utokwathi usethi indvodza iyadiwa yendeka I mean yabo so tsine vele we come from an age lapho khona sitibonele sekuku generation we don't really know and of course reading yabo that has exposed us but knowing about how it goes around squad even so as umdali it really helps because the boy or the girl will choose ukuye ukuthi choose abantu but don't choose lapho khona ever ngazuthi ucomfortable khona lapho khona kuneliqiniso khona because you need to raise them leliqiniso lapha eceleni kwabo ngaba raise ngemanga
mhlambe sesiya ngasemaphethelweni ngone ya ngifaktenwa nje ngoba tilikhunde tindzaba letifaka
kakhulu
kunebantwana labangadi badali bobabe wabo especially mhlawumbe lomnye kunebatali wati kahle ukuthi lo mntwana akasimelana but umkhulisa awakadlamini umntwana uyathi sekamdzala umntwana ngalenye langa mhlambe soshonile nanawe mhlambe ngalenye langa sothi uhambe emgwaqweni uhaqqa utholwa umuntu lapha yena uyathi wena ukuthi baba wakho ngilapha impact iyibe kanjani and wena njenga psychology gist ngifuna ukufaka gist njenga psychologist ungathini lapho number 1 number 2 issue ye rebellion umfana nje lo rebelako nje ungambita ubukele yanklamba bathi mhlalise phansi umntwana wamhlalisa phansi wamtshela kona but nje lo mntwana uyathi rebelela nje yena la abanye batali baze bathi kude lengakamlisi kuwe uyakudokotela wayabafundisi wayakuphi senze ngimixena semental sasebakhulume naye so shawe namaphoyisa akalalela ngomfana nami angathi leti ndzaba totimbili singaphumishela
okay leqala ke ukuthi
le bantwana
labathola okay that one is very critical on highs on air off air it's very critical because umuvu mina nangikhule ngwakasimelana bese songitshela ukuthi ngwakagule sengimzala kuyangilimata psychologically nje vele it affects everything that I ever believed in so usho ukuthi for the past 25 years ngikhuliswe ngemanga so I lose trust I lose umuvu nakathi trust me ngiyakuluza konke lokho honesty I'm not honest anymore because I can't believe good for 25 years I was raised under emanga yabo so vele lo mfana ngeke kuhlale kungamhluphi into le kanjalo ngibonile nje utata kuba ke baba yi3 labo baba bonke ba testa negative wasike lo manje ayishothi ngibabe nqimana nakathi ngibabe nqimana kuthini kulo mfana so my mother in that particular month bekalala without protection before men and nakhonto kwanza bamanqama ngakusungwe beka ngakhaliswa ukuthi akamtholi baba wakhe beka khaliswa ukuthi how could you be so careless? So as a parent, or maybe as parents, we need to assume the responsibility. The things that happened in the past, there's a chance or maybe you know, because kuhamba naye let into let and ngiyamlimata by the time anabo 30 ngeke azakubona isidingo sefamily ngeke azibone isidingo sekuthemba abantu because he was betrayed by the people labeka believela kibo. So it's very important ukuthi sikseklishe nje kusavele kungaze expand because vele kutawufika kulesigaba lapho khona sekaba rebellious khona labanye bese bathola i-comfort alcohol yabo. It's only now nge-COVID lapho khona basolo bathi tshwala ngebe bungishiye but babwashile ke nyalo ke yabo saying. But then coming on to the rebellious part, I'll go back to our second or third point whereby I said the environment influences behavior yabo. Lo mfana ukuthi umraise under i-environment le kanjani really counts. Bamfana base Waterford nebamfana base MDS bahlukile nabaya trip. Utawubabona base MDS ukuthi bafuna scoop badlala ipiano. Utawubabona base Waterford ukuthi bamba ngagumba webus baphatha incwadi benzo. So you need to raise your children under that particular environment that you want. Yabo. Angakuboni lengaphandle because even they say attractive lengaphandle kufuna abe lakhathi adi lakhaya ukuthi yathi lakhaya kocha naloku kumnanzi uyabona abe content ngalokho lokwendeka lapha ekhaya. Because if you don't highlight, market and advertise likhaya lakini ngendlela noma ngendlela lofuna ukuthi bantwana babengini vele batawubona ukuthi ngathi kumnanzi khamba ngalesigubu. Because laba se Waterford ngiyakutshela mhayisi ithi phuma le bus lapha ePick n Pay baphethe incwadi kaso enumangala ufunzelani incwadi lapha ngoba ngabe sigogotisa ipiano nyalo.
Awu mbukeli ngosiyami sikhathi kayangihlamba bese sasuke nje sikhale amaphepha magama akhe egcina mngoni watheni ukumbukela ekhaya singakaphuma ehlelweni.
Okay, lengakusho nje batali say please support your children in everything foods, and then banfana this one goes out to you. Start where you are, use what you have. Kunokuthi kuphela mhayisi.
Awu mbukeli bekuhle kuba kanye nawe ehlelweni akube kuhle kubuyela inhlelo lanzelako ingosi ikubusise. Bye bye.